Hello. Welcome to the show, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH from Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and market is open. And after a market opening, we can see a lot of volatility, which is not very common for gold. Yeah, there was a time when we used to get silent Monday markets. Market used to show us momentum by the US session. But for the last couple of weeks or months, things have changed drastically. Nowadays, Monday mornings are also full of action. So here we saw uh, gold open around 438,586 area after the market went down a little. After that, gold showed a very strong recovery. And after making a high of, sorry, after making a high of 4415, okay, gold came down. And right now, at the time of recording the video, gold is trading around 4390. Or precisely, gold is trading below 4400. Remember 4400. Okay, we have discussed plenty of times in our previous videos also that 4400 is a very crucial level. Because for market to be bullish again, or for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4400. Because see, this is a daily chart. Okay, so when gold will be crossing 4400, okay, that the structure of market will change again. So gold is facing a little trouble because okay, for big things, okay, you need to struggle a little. So right now here we can see the same thing. So similarly, when gold was around the 4,000, remember 4,000 was very dicey level. Okay, we were in trouble literally because the direction of the market is not good. Similarly, around 4400 also we are facing a similar situation. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold gains on weaker dollar, reduced Fed rate hike bets. So this is not much dominating right now. Okay, so on a lower time frame, we can just see that gold is trying to recover. So let's discuss the trading opportunities accordingly. So first and foremost, okay, let's discuss about this particular level, which is 4386. So you can see I have mentioned two opportunities here. The first and foremost is if market takes support, okay, we can buy at pullback. Okay, this is the 50 minutes time frame. Do not expect much that there will be a complete trend reversal. Okay, no, we are not expecting that because see, as a retail trader, it is not possible for us to predict the market. And especially in a situation like this, if we can score one or two good candles also, it is good enough for us. So here around 4386, okay, if market takes support during the day, we can look for a buy position. The second trading opportunity is around selling below 4380. You can see I have mentioned here. So directly we are not looking for a sell position because see, right now at the time of recording the video, market is a little bit dicey here. So it can be risky. Means after taking a sell position below 4380, you may be in trouble. You may be caught in a bad selling position. So what we have done is okay, we are looking for a selling at sell on rise kind of a situation. Means when 4380, right now 4380 is kind of a support. So when the same support will become the new resistance, try to understand logic here. So after market breaking 4380, it will be going up. Okay, if it is a real sell position, it will face resistance. So when market will face resistance, you can look for a sell position at 4380. We are not selling directly so that we can avoid the avoid getting trap. हम directly sell नहीं कर रहे हैं ताकि हम trap से बच सके. See, in case market drops with a big red candle, try to understand if market drops a big red candle, that's a different scenario. But at the time of recording the video, I do not see any high volume. That's why, just to be on the safer side, we discuss about the pullback trade. And where is the next support then? We have a next support around 4363 area. But here also, okay, we are looking for a buy position after liquidity grab. So after hitting 4363, observe the market. If you see market is going down, wait for a while. I feel that around 57, 56 area market will take support. So when market will take support, or after liquidity grab, you can buy around 4363. But keep in mind, there is a possibility of a liquidity grab because liquidity grab has become extremely common these days. Okay. So position number one or opportunity number one is, okay, after buying, after a pullback, we can look for a buy position around 438586 area or around 80. Okay, or around uh 4380 area. Second is during the day, there is a possibility that market may break 4380. But just to be on a safer side, we are not looking for direct sell unless a big candle shows up. अगर बड़ा candle है तब बात अलग है. Otherwise, it will be safer for us to, okay, buy when market will be going up and face resistance around the same level. Then this was the second opportunity. Then the third opportunity is buying around 4363, 4364. Okay, after a liquidity grab. Now at the top, okay. Now at the top, you can see the structure of the market is bullish because market is forming higher highs here. So here, personally, I feel that before a breakout, now listen to me carefully. Okay, now I feel that before a breakout, market may consolidate for a while. So if you are planning to take a sell position around 4410, okay, I won't say anything here. Taking a sell position on 4410 is your personal call because I personally feel that market may face a temporary resistance. A temporary resistance market को मिल सकता है. After that, okay, so after some consolidation, I personally feel market will be going up. So as a day trader, yes, you can look for a buy at breakout, but how much you can expect? 80 to 100 pips only because we have seen before that after a breakout or when market breaks the previous high, market is not giving much. And to be on the safer side, 80 to 100 pips is also good enough. But if you want to take a sell at 4410, 4412, it's your personal choice. Keep in mind, you need to scalp. Okay, you cannot take a sell position in a recovery market and forget about the sell position. No, you need to be careful and fast. आपको fast होना पड़ेगा. So after some consolidation, if market breaks the 441516 area, we can look for buy and breakout as well. So this is opportunity number 4, and sell position around 4410 is up to you. I won't say anything, but yes, I feel that around 441012, market may give us a temporary selling opportunity for the experienced traders. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. So if you are wondering what is the trend of gold right now, yes, gold is trying to recover. Do we have a complete recovery yet? No, we do not have a complete recovery yet, but gold is trying to recover. That's it. Okay, and these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. If the market changes or if things change drastically, you will get an update in the WhatsApp group as well. And if you want to be a part of our WhatsApp group, you are most welcome. Just open your trading account under our referral, make a deposit, trade. That's it. Okay.